Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we're just going to be doing decorating the coffee bar for Valentine's Day. And I also left up the Christmas tree so we could decorate that as well. And I just have some stuff here that I'm going to be using on the coffee bar. Hopefully I have everything that I'm going to use. But if you have not watched my Valentine's Day haul, I will link that at the top and you can go check that out. But these are some of the things that I got to put on the coffee bar. And these signs, like in the last video, I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I like this sign. This is really cute. It lights up, so I think we're going to be using that. And some other things that I got from, yeah, you see it? From the Dollar Tree is this sign, and this garland is going to go on the tree, and these picks will go on the tree as well. We picked these up from Walmart. And this is some little garland that I got to go on the coffee bar. I'm not sure if it's going to be too long, but just stick around for the video and you'll see how we decorate our coffee bar. Okay guys, here is the completed coffee bar. I hope that you all think it turned out good. I had a little issue. I was going to put this around that, but I think it would have been in the way of my drawer, my baskets. So I just hung it there, and I placed these little heart cups on this two-tiered galvanized thing where I hold my cups and creamer and caramel. And then I had this little sign, and then I thought it was cute with this little red glass bow. I just added my top from my other one. I placed my heart coffee cup there, and here is the Valentine's Day tree. I thought that I had too many hearts, like I just went overboard with the hearts, but I think it turned out kind of cute. So okay guys, this is the final result. Please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.